Jen, thanks so much for taking some time with me today.
Thank you, Sarah. I'm excited to be part of this.
Well, you and I connected recently, and we had talked about how nice it would be to just kind of do a little profile about hiring managers here and ops managers here at Icon. And I'm so grateful that you've decided to volunteer. I do have a few questions for you to go through together today.
All right, go for it.
Okay. So, first off, tell us a little bit about your role here at Icon.
So I'm currently an associate director in strategic solutions, and I've actually been with Icon since 2012. I've been a people leader for over 9 years as part of that time. And I love being a people leader. I was a project manager first and realized I'd much rather manage people than projects. So I have a team of managers that report into me, and I think we'll hear a little bit more about my team in just a few minutes.
That's great. So, you've been here for a little while. What keeps you here at Icon?
I love the people. There is it feels like a family. It really does. It feels there's an intimacy as part of a large company that I have felt since I joined back in 2012. And it just has carried through as we keep growing. And I love the people. There's a collaboration, there's opportunity here for growth, there's support where we need it. And certainly, overall, it's just a really great, fun, diverse environment.
That sounds like a nice team. Well, tell me more about your team. What is it that they do and what's it like?
Yeah, so as I mentioned, my team is a team of managers to support project managers or senior study managers. We work with a client that's a large pharmaceutical company and support areas such as vaccines, oncology, all kinds of different therapeutic areas. And so my managers support roles like site care partners, they support study managers, activation partners, and we are a global team. So we really have fun getting to know different global nuances as well as the culture is on top of that. So we are, I think, a really fantastic team, one of the best teams I've ever worked with since I've been in clinical research.
So, Jen, what would you say makes your team so outstanding?
We really have fun. I would say first and foremost, we don't take ourselves too seriously. We have fun. We have fun together through virtual events. We have different perspectives with such a high level of respect, sharing those perspectives. There's a strong collaboration. There's really a drive for creating connection amongst all of our team members, and our managers and people leaders, part of that, really help drive that. And as I mentioned, we're diverse too. So I love seeing the different perspectives that people do bring and different backgrounds in their clinical research or even before clinical research.
That's great. So, when you think about your time as a people leader, you've been doing this for a little while. How would you describe your management style?
That's a good question. When I think of my management style, I think of being empathetic. I think of collaborative. I think of building a community. I think of having fun. The fun is a key word through all this because if you're not having fun, I mean, why bother, right? I mean, it really is, I think, important to have fun in your day to day. And coaching, I would say I have a coaching leadership style. So really asking the questions to get to pull out what my team needs and wants, and not just dictate. So I really do. I like leading versus managing, and I think
Well,
there's a difference.
it sounds like it would be a lot of fun to be on your team, Jen.
I
I'm
think it's
getting that.
fun.
When you are interviewing, and looking for new folks to join your team, what are some things that are important to you? What do you look for in a candidate?
One of the things that I think we always are striving for is the adaptability and flexibility in somebody. Having that opportunity that, yes, they can bring their background and experience, but knowing we're an ever changing environment, especially with clinical research. So being able to quickly adapt, somebody that has strong leadership, soft skills. So their work independently just as well as they work as part of a team. They are collaborative. They know how to really drive milestones to success as well, and really do it in a positive way.
So being positive, collaborative, and willing to have some fun.
Yeah, there you go. That sums it up perfectly, Sarah.
That sounds pretty good to me. Well, thank you for taking some time with me, Jen. It was a pleasure talking to you.
Thank you, Sarah. You have a great day.